I'm excited to announce Mag School. This is the first time we're going to be releasing all of our SOPs and coursework on how we train our own employees to improve sales on Amazon. My name is Stephen Pope and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And in the past 90 days, I've hired more than 70 interns. These are 70 individuals overseas, primarily in the Philippines. We always love hiring you guys in the Philippines. And you're great employees, you're great workers. But many of you, thousands of you, do not have any Amazon experience. So how do you get hired at an Amazon brand? How do you get hired by an agency or an Amazon aggregator? Well, here's the solution. We're going to give you actual certificates that prove you have studied and you have competency in some of these key areas. So let me show you around. The way you can do this is go to mag-school.com. That'll bring up this coursework. We're going to give away our first course, the SEO course, Search Engine Optimization, for free for the next 72 hours. You click on the course, that'll bring up this page right here, and this tells you a little bit about what we're going to give you. It includes information about how to utilize keywords, EBC, copy, the Amazon algorithm, and how it functions. At the end of that, you'll take a test, and we're going to give you a certificate which shows that you are competent, and you can take this certificate, load it to LinkedIn, and show it off and prove that you have these competencies, give it to the employer, add it to your profile, and they are more likely to hire you because our name at My Amazon Guy holds some weight because we've developed more than 1,000 videos on YouTube expressing how to solve any Amazon problem on the entire internet. So go ahead and hit enroll button here. We're actually going to show you all the coursework right here publicly. You can see what you're going to get for this. Click on enroll. We're charging $10 to add some credibility or legitimacy to this, but we're not going to make any money on this. This is my gift to the Amazon community because it is not me against you guys, other agencies. It's all of us against Amazon because Amazon's a customer-centric platform and they haven't done anything to help the Amazon sellers and everything else. So sign up today. You'll get access to this for 12 months. And in here, you can select either Stripe or with a credit card or a PayPal if you're going to spend 10 bucks. We're going to give you the course for free, though, in the next 72 hours. So come down to this coupon section and type in MAG100 SEO and hit redeem. That'll bring down the price down to $0 for the next 72 hours. And we appreciate you guys testing out our beta launch. Once we have some success with this in the first few days, we're going to then release the catalog course, design, and PPC. A lot of great things are coming. We believe that this is the best way to train the next account managers and brand managers and SEO experts and PPC specialists and great designers so that they know how to functionally do their expertise area specifically in the Amazon platform. And by the way, one of the greatest ways to get your application approved at My Amazon Guy is to take these courses, then apply at myamazonguy.com/internships. My hope is that everybody will take these courses, brushing up on their skills, and apply it to wherever they decide to go. I'm a caveman with fire. I'm giving you my fire. What you do with that fire is up to you. So go enroll today at mag-school.com. Leave your comments on this video. Let me know what your experience is with it. I will read every single one of them. It is my goal to serve the community, to make sure we do the best things we can to help everybody out there. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm now the founder of Mag School. We'll see you guys later.